Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to draw Shaun from Shaun the Sheep. So let's get started. So we'll be taking two imaginary points here and then we'll draw a slightly curved line. We'll be starting with his face first. Then we have to join these 2 points with U shape. Just like this. So this becomes Shaun's face. Now we'll be drawing the ears. Take here 1 point here and draw like this. Take second point slightly up and draw and then join like this. So this becomes his one ear. Now the second one. Take point here, a curve line, and take second point slightly up. Draw this and then join them. Now we'll draw his eyes. Draw 2 circles just like this and then black point inside. Just like this. Now I'll draw his hat, woolen. Just draw a random line here, just like we draw clouds. And we'll draw some slight small lines here to give some woolen effect. Just like this. Now the nose. That's it. Now I'll be drawing his body. So take a point here. And draw a random line just like this. Now take a point here, one. Just like this. Now we'll draw in his tail. Take 1 point here and 1 point here. Join them. And we'll be drawing some small lines here for giving some woolen effect here. Just like this, small lines. Just like this. Now his legs. Take 2 points here and draw a straight line down. And give small gap here and then draw 2 straight lines down here. Now we'll draw his toes. Slightly bulge this line and from here to give the gap here slightly. Same here. Two lines straight down and here too. extend this line up to here, then just join here. This becomes Shaun the Sheep. Now I'll be coloring his body with black and white. Basically, Shaun the Sheep is black and white only. So we'll be coloring his face, ears and legs with that color. So here it is, Shaun the Sheep. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.